We're starting filming. This is a new pack of batteries. Patricia will now break it open. Alkaline batteries.
And get them in the right way, which is this way. Okay, put in the right place.
Okay, and the privacy light is not on.
No.
Okay.
Okay.
If you want to register a password, press 1. Card key. Enter the password you want to register and press star. Registration of password is completed.
Okay, so now we will try to open. That's open. Okay, keep filming.
So that's now failed to.
So let's try that again. That is, oh, you just put it in open mode?
So
Open
you can
mode.
come in. So that's now lock mode.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, door.
Okay. Now let's try the card.
I have to register the card first. That's another video.
Okay.
So end.
So we're now going to delete all previous card registrations and try using a card.
If you want to register a password, press. If you want to delete all card keys, press star. Deleting card key is completed.
Okay.
Okay. Now
Then
we
I'm going to
register a new
re-register.
card.
Press M.
If you want to register a password, press 1. Card 0. Numbers of card keys is already registered. If you want to register a card key, contact the card on the card reader. And if you want to finish, press. The card key is registered. Card key registration is completed.
So the card registered correctly doesn't work either.
Yeah.
Okay. So we're now going to try resetting the panel from underneath. It's now reset. We'll now
Access mode. If you want to register a password, press 1. Enter the password you want to register and registration of password is completed.
So it didn't work then even after resetting everything.